Creating a portfolio is a very important part of being a professional and technical writing major, and using Wix.com is a great resource to use when creating your own portfolio. Creating an online portfolio to store your work is useful for your professors, peers, colleagues, and future employers. It makes your work easily accessible for others to find. I will walk you through creating a portfolio on Wix.com using an academic portfolio template you can edit and personalize. These instructions will specifically teach you how to create a portfolio as a PTW major, but any student creating an academic portfolio can use these instructions and adapt them to the needs and requirements of their major by swapping out the words, categories, and possible design elements. Please note that I will be using a desktop version of Wix.com. If you only have access to a mobile device or tablet, the steps I may take may not look the same as the website on your phone or tablet. Let's get started by logging into Wix.com. If you don't have an account, you'll want to pause and create an account using your email address. This will load the homepage. Once we are on the homepage, you will look for the button in the right-hand corner labeled Create New Site. We will start by selecting this option. This will open a new tab, and Wix displays the option to create a new site using AI. For these instructions, we will not be using the AI feature of Wix, as we are looking to find a template to edit for ourselves. Once we select Setup Without AI, Wix displays a page that prompts us to search for the type of website we would like to create. Here, you'll type into the search bar, Portfolio. Wix will then prompt us to name our website. You can name your website whatever you'd like, but keep it appropriate and professional. I named mine Sierra's PTW Portfolio. Other good names include Your Name's Resume and Portfolio or the academic work of your name. Make sure to include your name in the title so your viewer can easily identify whose website they are viewing. Once you type in the name of your website, hit Continue. Now, Wix displays options that can be added to the website. Portfolio is an automatic setting as well as Instagram. You may want to uncheck Instagram as it may not fit well with your academic portfolio because it is a personal media. For my portfolio, I did not select any additional options. Once you've made your selections, hit Continue. Wix will display the Start Setting Up Your Website pop-up. For our portfolio, we are going to select Start with a Template. Starting with a template is a very easy way to create and personalize a portfolio without a lot of extra work. Now Wix is opened on the Pick a Template page. We will want to search all templates using the prompt Academic Portfolio. As you can see on my screen, the Academic CV is the first template that pops up. If you do not see this template as the first option, pause and scroll down on the page until you find Academic CV. When we hover over the Academic CV template, Wix displays both Edit and View buttons. To begin creating our website, we will select the Edit button. The page may take a minute to load, but when it does, a pop-up will appear asking again if we would like to create our web page with AI. Hit the X in the top right corner to close this pop-up, as we will not be using AI for our template. If the template appears dark on the screen and Wix displays all the editing options, just click the screen on the template itself and it will bring the template into full view. Let's move our mouse to hover over the template. If you hover near the Hey, I'm Allie text, you'll see that the section is titled Welcome. We also see in the left-hand corner of the Welcome section the Quick Edit button. When we select that button, a toolbar opens up on the right side of the screen. Let's scroll down on the toolbar. We will start by changing the title of our portfolio. If we click on the text box, we can type our new title. You can change the current title to include your name instead of the sample, or you can create a new title. Once we've changed the title of our portfolio, we will want to edit the paragraph. We will click on the paragraph box just like we did before and begin typing a brief overview of ourselves. Think of this as a summary for your website. We want to list the function of the website in a fun way. Here, I'm going to type a professional and technical writing major giving the world access to her work. Once we've got a new title and paragraph, we will keep scrolling down the toolbar to the images. This is where we are going to add the photo of ourselves. Select the Change button under Image. This will open a pop-up that allows us to upload the photo to Wix. In the pop-up, under the title Choose an Image, in the top left-hand corner, there is a blue button labeled Upload Media. When we click this button, another pop-up titled Upload Media will open. In the middle of this pop-up, we will select Upload from Computer. This will open the files on your computer. If it doesn't open to the folder that your photo is stored in, go ahead and pause while you get to the section of your files that contains the photos. Once you've clicked on the photo you want to upload, hit Open in your files. It may take Wix a minute to upload the photo. Once it has uploaded, the image should already be selected. We can then select Choose Image in the bottom right-hand corner. This will replace the image on our template, so you should be able to see a photo of yourself now. There are 2 more images for the icons you see on the Welcome section. For now, we will leave the icons as they are, but you can always go back and change them later. If we scroll down past all the image boxes, we will see another title and paragraph box. We can go ahead and click on the title box and change the title to Bio. After we've done that, click on the paragraph box to begin typing a more detailed summary of why you are creating the website. That concludes our editing of the Welcome section. To exit Quick Edit, hit the X in the upper right-hand corner of the toolbar. Let's keep going. Scroll down on the main website page until you see Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. We are going to hover over this section and select the Quick Edit button again. If you don't have one or more of the social media accounts listed in the text boxes, or if there is one you prefer to not include in your portfolio, you can erase them from the text box. If you think you'd like to link them later, you can leave it in the text box, but don't link them yet. To save time in this video, I'm only going to add LinkedIn to my portfolio, but feel free to pause afterwards and add all of your social media accounts. Go ahead and log into your LinkedIn account or whichever account you prefer in another tab and copy your account link. Let's start by clicking the LinkedIn paragraph box. You'll see a blue hyperlink icon above the words. It will look like a chain link. Click this button, and when it shows the hyperlink button with an X through it and the regular hyperlink button below that, click the regular hyperlink button. This will open a pop-up in the middle of the screen. In this pop-up, make sure that web address is selected on the left-hand side. You'll then erase the current link that is in the URL box and replace it with the account link you just copied. Once you've replaced the link with your account link, you'll hit the Done button at the bottom corner of the pop-up. Now that we've linked our social media, we will scroll down in the toolbar to the paragraph called Resume. We will again click the hyperlink button and open up the hyperlink pop-up. This time, the pop-up should open on the document section on the left-hand side. Find the button labeled Choose File and click it to open the Upload pop-up. You will hit Upload Media just like we did for the picture we uploaded, and this time you will find the PDF of your resume to upload. Once you open your PDF resume, you'll make sure it's selected in the Upload pop-up, and in the bottom right-hand corner, click Add to Page. This will take you back to the hyperlink pop-up, and we will click Done at the bottom. That's it for our social section. If you would like to go back through and add additional social media accounts, feel free to pause and do so. If you're ready to move forward, let's hit the X at the top of the toolbar and scroll down to the next section. This section should be easy to change as we've already changed plenty of text boxes in the previous sections. I'll speed through this section to show you how you can edit this section to personalize it to your information. Now that we've completed the Experience and Skills section, let's close out the toolbar again. If you scroll down to the next section, labeled About, with the title Some of My Thoughts, we will again open the Quick Edit toolbar. You'll want to change the title to Portfolio. Below the title text box, you'll see that there are 3 slides included in the template. You can go ahead and delete slides 2 and 3 by hovering over the box and clicking the bubble with 3 dots on the right-hand side. When you click this button, you'll be given 3 options. Select Delete and the slide will be deleted. Now that only one slide is remaining and it is closed, click back on slide 1. In the paragraph, you can type different categories you may have on alternate pages in your portfolio. If you aren't sure what categories you'll include in your portfolio yet, you can just type a filler for now. I'll go ahead and type a few of my categories to show you how it should look when you've gotten a few down. Now we can close the toolbar again. When you scroll further on the main page, the next section you will see has photos, and it is called Decorative. If you would like to add a few additional photos here, you can click the Quick Edit and do so using the image replacing skills we learned earlier. I will be deleting this section as I don't have any photos I would like to add, and I don't think it would hurt or build my portfolio in any way. If you'd also like to delete this section, hover your mouse over the section. In the bottom right corner of the page, you will see a small taskbar. Move over to this taskbar and at the very bottom, click the 3 dots, More Actions. Many options will pop up. Select Delete and the section will be deleted. And just like that, you have a professional, easily accessible homepage for your online portfolio. Now all that's left is to follow the template and use additional pages to begin uploading your pieces you would like to showcase.